Outraged at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation's Public Health Committee meeting after it was revealed that the committee chairman has not taken the COVID-19 vaccine. His reason? He hopes to get the Moderna jab. Javon Keys reports.
Public health experts have made it clear that the best COVID-19 vaccine to take is the one available. And with the global supply chain for the jab strained, it's difficult for persons to wait for a particular vaccine because of supply uncertainties.
Persons are waiting on other vaccines. But, Chairman, we're on a boat or a log heading downstream fast to a waterfall that is going to crash. We don't have the luxury to say, let me wait on Tom to save me or Mir to save me.
Yes.
The first chance you get to be saved, I implore us to tell our residents and our fellow Jamaican, take it as quick as possible.
In the background, agreeing with the call made by Councillor of the Portmore Pines Division, Claude Hamilton, is the chairman of the Public Health and Sanitation Committee for the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Sidney Rose. Mr. Rose was, however, put on the spot by this question.
What the reason why you don't take the vaccine as yet, and we are going on the second dose? As the chairman...
You want me to speak to it? And I will speak. I've asked for a particular one, the Moderna, which the government... no, they would have issued a press release. I have heard it, that they would be bringing in some Moderna. And I've asked the senior medical officer for the parish, Dr. Prosper Chen, that if and when, I would take that one.
Councillors expressed outrage at his stance.
Let me give...
You're not setting an example. Set an example.
Councillor Turner, I have a choice, and my choice is Moderna.
So you're risking your life against Moderna.
And the lives of others.
And the lives of others for Moderna. That's what you're saying?
The committee's chair sought to make it clear that he is not against the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is currently in distribution on the island. He was, however, firm in his decision.
Mr. Chairman, you've set an example, man.
And I did say I'll take it. But I have a choice. Respect my choice. None of you can't tell me what to take. I have an independent mind.
The Health Ministry in March indicated that the country should receive 20,000 doses of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. However, the United States has placed restrictions on the exportation of vaccines, so they are yet to reach the island. Javon Keys, TVJ News.